Hey, welcome back. It's another day. I don't know if anybody remembers how this area was all cracked and stuff, but that's how it looks now. Same with this one. The big crack we had going on here. Oh, it was down here. I don't even remember, but yep, there it is. It's gone. Came out really nice. For an amateur, I could have done a little bit better right here. Sanded it down more and stuff and made it look a lot better, but you know what? I'm happy with that. Alright, this is the piece from yesterday. Just gotta do a quick sand with 2000. Smooth it out a little bit. Already put the flex coat on. Alright, these are done and ready for clear coat. Alright, I'm done with it. I didn't videotape it because I forgot the camera was off. So there's no way to turn it back on, you know what I'm saying, and redo it. We flex coated the Harley-Davidson sign. Came back and I clear coated everything. Including the lights. I clear coated the lights and it makes it look like brand new. So now I just gotta let this dry overnight. They say about 8 hours for that clear coat, that 2K to dry up, and you can buff it out and stuff. Close up here. But it looks pretty good. Let's get some other stuff done. I'll put the handle back in for the passenger. Some blue Loctite on that. And I got the handle upside down. Oh boy. You know what, I'm thinking just leave it off. I'm leaving it off. But I will just put the nuts right in here in place so I don't move them. You know, just take them down. Alright, I do have some wires that I cut to disconnect the Tour-Pak. And what these are for is the turn signals that I actually made. I made turn signals over here because the original sockets were broken and stuff, so I put LEDs. And I run them off with a diode and stuff off of here. So I'm going to hook these wires back up and get all the stuff plugged back in. Where is the wire for this? Uh-oh. I think I'm in trouble. Oh, stuck underneath. Where is that cable? Oh my freaking word. Oh, it's not good. I got stuck between the fender. I don't know if I can get out of there. Yep, we have a problem. That is not going to come out of there. Son of a bitch. You got kidding me. Oh, wait a minute. Alright. Let me get this relay out. I can probably slide it through. There we go. Woo! Got lucky. Got lucky. That would suck if that was stuck there and I had to get the fender off. Man. Now I can't get the relay back in. Yeah. Alright. Let's hook this back up. Alright, let's see. Y is Y. Connect these two together, and where's the Y here? Right here. Alright, I'm gonna do the same thing I did with the back. The lights in the back. I don't have much room to play with here, so it's gonna be a little trickier. So, when you're soldering, you want a clean tip on the soldering iron or soldering iron, whatever you want to call the damn thing. Keep the wire up, and it shouldn't take long at all. Alright, that one's much better. Same thing. Bring up the heat shrink. Oops. Shrink it up. I'll just put some electrical tape over that, just in case, extra protection with the electrical tape, doesn't hurt. I'm gonna grab me some zip ties. Zip tie some of the stuff back together. This is the relay. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is the relay right here for the air horn system. Alright, that looks good. Go over here. Yeah, control the zip tie right in there. Alright, that's all hooked back up. You know, when I did these wiring for the turn signals and stuff, the ones that I added, I could have put in like adapters to disconnect and all that, but I didn't have any. I'd have to buy them. And honestly, to save $1 or $2, I just did it this way. It's not like I take this Tour-Pak off every day of the week, you know what I'm saying? Just when I gotta do something major to or whatever. Where did these go? Oh crap. Oh shit, that's for the oh crap. It's for the USB charger. Which I still have to run through there. Son of a gun. Forgot all about it. Alright, no big deal. Just gonna take that grommet back out. The only other thing that I'm doing today, and it's already done, is I clear coated the 2 side covers. And once that's dry, you know, I'll have to polish it up, buff it out, whatever. I like to buff things out, make it even smoother. But it turned out alright. Just need a little, I got a couple of spray marks here and there that I need to take out. Orange peel, whatever it's called. Anyway, see what it looks like. So that's all I'm doing today. I gotta wait for that Tour-Pak to dry up. Then I'm gonna go ahead and buff all that out as best as I can. I don't even know if it needs it, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it. And then I'll buff these out, get them back on the bike, and I'm gonna stop the bags next. And I don't have any more room. This is the only counter or bench space that I have, so I don't know where to put these while they dry if I was to do anything else, and I don't want to create a whole lot of dust in here. So that'll be it for today. Bye bye.